Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Congruent.
What does the dictionary say?
Of or relating to two numbers related by a congruence.
Math rap.
Shapes are congruent before your eyes when they share the same shape and size, and you slide, flip, or turn them to see. The angles can be congruent in radians and degrees.
Math rap.
Explain congruent in your own words. Is your age congruent to anyone else in your class? Draw 3 pairs of congruent triangles. Look below. Circle the triangle that isn't congruent with the others. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!